Welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we have Luca La Spaziale. Came here, switched the pump. While switching the pump, found out another hidden, it's going to be like a big problem. Thank God we caught it. The house in fuse was burnt. And we switched it. This is all the house in. This is how it was burnt. It was gonna cause a major problem. So it's done. These are the old fuse and the housing fuse. Brand new inside, brand new pump, brand new gasket, deep clean inside out, and also descaled, back flushed, and ready to go home, make some great coffee. This is a little beast right here. Let's try with start with the steam. Beautiful strong steam, as you can see. And let's pull a shot. And also I unclogged the tube here that was responsible for the steam. Coffee is coming out. Please don't forget to subscribe and come check out our beautiful machine for sale. Thank you so much and have a great day.